some inventions change history forever. This is the story of one such design. Every great design begins with sketches, ideas, and countless calculations. A visionary designer worked tirelessly here, creating a weapon renowned for reliability and simplicity.
The first prototype was rough but full of potential, built for extreme conditions. Each test shot taught lessons, shaping the weapon's final, legendary design. Designed to endure the harshest conditions, nothing could stop it. Soon, mass production began, making the design accessible worldwide.
Its influence would span continents, becoming a symbol of reliability everywhere.
Every component was simple yet precise, built for ease of use under any condition. Field trials proved its reliability, even in the toughest terrains imaginable. Maintenance was simple. Anyone could disassemble and clean it in minutes. When it mattered most, the rifle performed flawlessly, ready for combat instantly.
Its design earned recognition, praised for unmatched reliability and simplicity.
Across global conflicts, this weapon became a trusted companion worldwide.
Decades later, it still stands as a testament to engineering that withstands time.
Beyond the battlefield, it became a cultural symbol recognized worldwide.
Its innovations influenced countless designs, shaping modern firearm engineering.
The philosophy was simple: build something reliable, practical, and easy to use, no matter the conditions.
Its adoption by armies worldwide proved its unmatched practicality and efficiency.
Its silhouette became instantly recognizable, a symbol of resilience and design mastery. Even in mud, rain, or snow, it fired without fail, proving its legendary reliability. Training was simple. Anyone could master its use within minutes. Lightweight yet sturdy, the design balanced easy handling with dependable performance.
Fewer moving parts meant fewer failures, a hallmark of brilliant design. Heat, sand, or grit, nothing could stop it from functioning flawlessly.
Its versatility made it suitable for forests, deserts, and urban warfare alike.
Design experts hailed it as a masterpiece of practicality and innovation.
It became a cultural icon, recognized far beyond the battlefield. Adopted as a military standard, it proved indispensable in countless armies. Decades later, it remains functional and admired for its unmatched longevity. Modern designs still draw inspiration from his ingenious work. No matter the environment, it never failed those who depended on it. Mass production ensured its availability worldwide, a triumph of engineering. It received accolades for reliability, innovation, and enduring design. This design spread across the world, influencing generations of engineering and manufacturing. Its true legacy lies in engineering, simplicity, reliability, and function over form. Built under pressure, refined through purpose, and remembered through design.